So hey, what's up everyone? This is back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be telling you how you can run ChatGPT in offline mode or any other LLMs completely free in offline mode. Okay, so GPT4ALL, yeah, is the official website as you can see here. And here from you can download it, and yeah, my download is successfully executing as you can see. And this is the official GitHub profile, and you can download for Windows, Mac, any of it. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, my download is successfully done, and yeah, let me see. Yeah, this is the installer file, and now I have to simply run this installer file. Okay, so I'm here simply going to the terminal, and here simply type pd downloads, and here chmod plus x gpt4all installer linux dot run. Okay, now I am here simply write sudo dot slash gpt4all installer linux.run. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, our installer file is executing, and yeah, simply next install. Yeah, these are different tabs here, and yeah, simply minimize it, and yeah, so I'm here right now fast forwarding the video. Okay, so yeah, let me install it. So now, as you can see, our install is successfully completed, and now finish. And yeah, right side bottom as you can see here. Yeah, now simply open it. Okay, allow, I have to allow it. Okay, allow launching now. Yes, now as you can see here, yeah, simply yes, and now I have to simply install the models. Okay, here the many models are here. Okay, different models are here, including ChatGPT, Llama, Meta, Cloud, everything is here. Okay, so for me, some of the models are not be like downloading for my PC, just because I have the low end PC. For my spec is really low and the requirements are not met actually. So yeah, I'm here using different LLM models. Simply I'm here using the Llama 3.2 3B instruct model. Okay, so yeah, download and let it finish. Okay, and then I'm coming back. So yeah, it's successfully installed as you can see here, and now just simply test the model and let's see is it working or not. So simply writing here, tell me the best book for learning Python. Yeah. So as you can see here, our model is successfully generating some of the suggestions for me. Yeah, this is it. This is the all about this GPT4ALL model. So yeah.